What's up, guys? Welcome to A Reseller's Life. My name is Chris. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's episode, we're going to address one of the toughest challenges we face as resellers. Let's get straight into it. Please gently caress the like button and consider subscribing, because in every single episode, I'm going to give you guys actionable tips to improve your store. Let's go. Okay, so as resellers, this is the toughest dilemma. The dilemma is items come in and you need to sort them, and you need to figure out what you want to sell and things that you don't want to sell. So this is an example of items coming in from my scouts. They come in these 22 by 22 by 22 boxes. Either they're shipped here or they're dropped off from local pickers. In these items, I still have to sort. So I open them up and then I divide them. So we've got three categories of stuff that it goes into. This is trash. So immediately stuff that doesn't sell for a good margin for me. So stuff under $20, I'm just gonna immediately redonate it. I could maybe sell this to somebody at the flea market, but it's either going to the flea market or going to be donated. This I call filler. Trash, filler. Filler is the stuff that's around 30 bucks and under, but the margin is still there, but it's really competitive. Filler is really hard. If you have an entire store full of filler or trash, you're gonna need like a gigantic thousands and thousands of items stored to make any money. You need a huge store of this kind of stuff. But the stuff that comes in that's decent is gonna go over here. That's the killer. This stuff is ready to be listed immediately. So trash, filler, killer. So the main issue with 99% of stores that I review is they have no killer items. They don't have anything that's over $30. They're competing in this sub $30 garbage category, and it's so crowded. Like, since I started in 2017, there were 1 billion listings on eBay. Now in 2020, there's 1.5 billion listings. And I would say that extra 0.5 is all trash or filler items. Super cheap stuff that's difficult to compete in. I want you guys to focus on the killer. If you are a small store, under 1,000 items, just pick really good stuff. I'm gonna release a guide pretty soon that just goes over the items that sell over $30. They're harder to find, and it's gonna take a lot of time to get those. You might have to sort through pallets and pallets of this trash or filler to get the killer items, but I want a killer, not filler item for store for 99% of eBayers. You wanna stay in this category of $30 and over, where it's less competitive. If you want a free store review, comment your store in the comment section below, and other people can either review your store for me, or if I have time, I'll go in there and do it. But this video, I want to offer a free store review for people who feel like they're doing something wrong in their store. But I can tell you, even without looking at your store, the reason your store is not doing well is probably because you have too much trash and too much filler in your store, and not enough good items. I want to give you guys an example of the killer stuff that's under $30. I consider brand new stuff like, let's say, Polaroid film as killer, because it's super easy to list. It's just 1 or 2 photos. Also, you can just scan the barcode and it'll tell you how much it's worth. Make sure when you're buying film that it's covered, because it can get ruined when it's exposed. But this is easy for me because even though it's under $30, it doesn't take very much time. It's gonna go in something that doesn't require any tape, and it's very easy for someone to list this for me. Now, if it requires measurements, or it's custom or vintage or rare, that stuff takes more time, so I consider most of that stuff filler. Nothing wrong with it, it's just we only have so much time in the day. Listing stuff that has a barcode is a lot faster for the most part. I'm pretty excited because I'm about to make some interesting changes in my business that are gonna allow me to buy stuff in bulk. So that's pretty exciting. I'm gonna order stuff either by half truck or by full truck. So that's gonna be very cool to see what kind of stuff comes into the store. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are interested in wholesale. Let me know sort of the quantities that you're looking for. How much do you want to order? What kind of size? What kind of items? Because I'm gonna be looking for liquidation companies to partner with and get stuff in. Ideally, I could supply about 100 resellers with stuff. So that's the direction that I'm moving. Until next time, guys, make progress daily.